evening, everyone. It is Sunday. Thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. This video is going to be mainly about Christmas paper pads, and I will explain further. But if you do enjoy this video, after you have viewed it, please give it a thumbs up and, of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you would not miss any future videos. So, I wanted to share with you the reason why I am actually presenting those paper pads at this time. Just last week, Saturday, I had gone just to do some shopping and, pick up a couple of things. And I realized that not only did we have Halloween stuff out, we also had Christmas stuff out, from Christmas cards to gifts and everything. And it made me realize that we're in a different time where, because of technology and because of economy and all other reasons, seasons no longer have their individual time. So you will get Easter running into, say, 4th of July, or something like that, instead of having Easter being advertised on its own, or 4th of July, or Halloween, and, well, of course, now Christmas. So now everything is pretty much, like we say, Christmas in October. So that made me decide to go and take a look at a paper pad I had. And it so happened that Michael's also had a sale, which I was able to take a look at as well. But I wanted to show you this beautiful paper and the pad that I had previously. I am going to be using those to create some Christmas cards for this year. And if, example, you're wanting to make your own Christmas card, I'm not asking you to go and buy paper pads, but that is a way that you can do a beautiful Christmas card with very little. And what I mean is, if you have pretty paper like this, and I'm going to show you an example, because I'm working on some stuff now, so I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's say, let me see, I'm looking for a specific type. Oh, there we go. So in this paper pad, I do have, I'm going to show you which one it is. Yes, this one right here. I do have this pattern. Now, if you notice, it has black and white, okay? And of course, Michael's does have smaller sizes, like 6 by 6, just smaller paper pads that you can use. Now, I cut this down and I have this. Now, take a look. So this is just the plain old Jane. I add this on here, okay? Add my sentiment on it, and pretty much that's it. You don't have to do much. And that's what I'm trying to say as far as, using paper pads. They're very simple. Simple to use. You could maybe cut a smaller piece of white, or, something in the middle. It just depends on you. You could use stuff around the house, like you could have like Christmas paper. If you would like, depending on what it is, you could always maybe cut out something. You have gift bags that you may have been given that have little pictures on them. You can just cut out the little pictures. There's different ways you can make Christmas cards without having to, go and buy too much of anything. So that's one of the examples I wanted to show. And I'm currently actually working on my Christmas card collection, but I wanted to show you the pads. So this one has different types, from, you can mix and match, reds. I could find maybe this red with, let's see, I can even use, somehow incorporate these two. So you could really make some beautiful cards with, the paper you have. And I'm going to be actually demonstrating next week, the cards that I'm working on. Now this one, I have houses on here. So I ended up, at least that's the first step. Let me see if this one, okay. So I ended up pretty much cutting it out to have the background. So what I may do once I have this in here, I may use just a little bigger piece at the back and just determine how I'm going to set it. But basically this can just stand on its own, and that's what I'm talking about. Paper pads are very, very useful if you want to make quick cards. And you don't have much of anything, you could go on your computer, you could print out Merry Christmas on a sheet of, on a piece of cardstock, or a fairly sturdy piece of paper, if you want to say that. And you could just attach it, just cut it out nicely, stick it on there. Merry Christmas, you have a quick card. So I'm just, showing you things that you can do with pattern paper. You could also do the same thing if you want to with Christmas wrap, just different things you can do without having to break the bank to make a Christmas card. Even here I have Merry Christmas. This pretty much can stand on its own. I may just maybe add a little something else just to kind of offset all the writing, but that's one option here. That, excuse me. Then I have this one which I just got, and I'm going to be having fun with this one. As you notice, it says Christmas plaids, which is sort of the in thing now. Again, it has like 24 designs in there, 12 by 12, and it pretty much shows you the designs on the top. Okay, so you can kind of mix and match and just make it work for you. This is one of the patterns, and you can see it's pretty bold. So it just depends how you use them, and that's how I'm going to be showing you next week, how I incorporate those bold patterns into a beautiful card. I'm going to be doing that demonstration next week. So pretty much this is what this video is about. I wanted to introduce to you the new Christmas collection on its way and what I'll be using to create that. So again, if you do enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you next Sunday when I would actually be demonstrating one of the Christmas cards that I'm going to make. So thank you for watching. Have a safe and wonderful week, and look forward to seeing you next Sunday. Bye-bye.